Model import at Unique, especially in classics. 2014 BMW 435i, retractable hardtop, rear-wheel drive car. Underneath the hood, powered by a 3-liter twin-turbo inline 6-cylinder, and that is paired up with a 8-speed automatic transmission. 300 horse in this car. The 4 Series is a reconfigured 3 Series, only wider, lower handles, rides out a lot more performance orientated, more comfort and convenience. Take a look at the front fascia of this particular car. 2-owner car, clean Carfax, a little over 41,000 miles on it. Good service history to it on the Carfax. Now, if you'd like to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, engine bay, interior, trunk area. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Condition of the car is what you'd expect for a BMW. Tell us well taken care of. It is black. You're going to see a few minor imperfections here and there in the black paint, and it has been driven 41,000 miles, but you can tell it is well cared for. And that power retractable hardtop, we will run that up here at the end of the video, let you check it out with the top up. See the interior. Very well equipped cars. One of the things found out on these particular vehicles, you see these vents right here. This vehicle actually has what's called neck warmers. Those do function. Of course, your dual climate control, CD player, again that 8-speed automatic transmission, center console, and of course all your modern amenities that you're going to have on a late model car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I'm going to show you a little something else I found out about these cars and show you how it functions, and everything is working fine on this car. I'm going to unlock the trunk. I'm going to lift the trunk up. As you can see, this is where the retractable convertible top folds into. Now, you do have storage space below there, which you can use. To make it easier to gain access to it, they have devised a system that actually raises up everything above the storage space, so you can more easily access the cargo area in the trunk. Everything working as it should there. We're going to lower it back down now. And then you're able to close your trunk back up. Very cool. Once again, check out those still pictures, interior, undersides, trunk area, engine bay, still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Again, very well handling car, 300 horsepower. This one will get up and moving with that wider, lower stance to it. It will perform nicely. Let's put it that way. I did notice one little tiny, I don't know if you can pick it up. It's pretty tough to see. One little, just kind of hanging right there. Of course, power sliding seats, forward and backwards for entering the rear passenger compartment. And as you can see, the black leather interior or charcoal leather interior, also in nice shape. Contoured bucket seats, very comfortable cars. Memory seating, power seats, both sides, of course, all your power windows, locks, tilt the cruise mirrors, driver's information center, steering wheel controls. Obviously, different shifting and performance of the transmission with a Sport, Eco, Pro. That center right there, power top button, and then those are also the neck warmer buttons for each seat. Dual climate control. Everything you'd expect in a BMW. All right, let's fire this up. So you can hear it run. We will pop that hood, let you check that out, and I'll run up the top here at the end. All right. Oops, left the trunk open, didn't close it all the way. Again, miles on this one, 41,329. As you can see, no warning, indicator lights, anything like that on it, except for that trunk open. I will have to shut that all the way properly, and I'll show you exact miles when we check out the engine bay. All right. Dash, all in good shape. Everything's stock. Haven't noticed any modifications on this car. Make sure you close that trunk all the way here. All right. Let me show you this exact miles. There you go, 41,329. Just want to confirm that with you. Now let's go ahead and we'll pop this hood. Probably gonna have to pause this a second. I'll need an extra hand. Nope, I'll be all right.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
2 clicks of the hood lever and you can get this all the way open. Here we go. Again, 3-liter, inline 6, twin turbo, 300 horse, smooth running. What you'd expect under here. Take a look at the hood liner. I don't think this car has been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Again, 2-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Good service history on that Carfax also. All right, so there's the engine bay. I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to grab a little assistance and let's run this retractable hardtop up so you can see that function also. All right, we'll run the top up here so you can see this function. So it all folds kind of into one section and goes back there, all folds out and completes the process. And that's all there is to it. Press of a button. 2014 BMW 435i retractable hardtop, clean Carfax, a little over 40,000 miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate when you call in or email.